In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a blur in Figma. Let's dive right in and learn how to add that smooth, professional touch to your designs with just a few simple steps. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for Figma. Once you're on the Figma homepage, you'll want to log in. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up so you can access Figma's powerful design tools. After you've logged in, navigate to the design file or project you wish to work on. This could be one you're already working on, or you might want to start a new one to experiment and get a feel for how the blur effect will affect your design. Now, you need to select the specific layer, group, or object that you want to apply the blur to. You can do this by clicking directly on the object within your canvas, or by selecting it from the Layers panel, typically located on the left-hand side of your screen. Once you've got your object selected, turn your attention to the right-hand panel. Within this area, you'll find a section labeled Effects. There should be a small plus icon here. Click on it to add a new effect to your selected layer or object. With the new effect added, a menu will appear. Click the drop-down menu that shows up next to your new effect and select Layer Blur from the list of options. This is where the magic happens. To adjust the specifics of your blur effect, look for an icon that resembles a little sun, often referred to as the Effect Settings icon. Clicking on this icon will allow you to tweak the specifics of the effect you've just applied. You're now ready to modify the blur intensity. This can be done through a straightforward interaction. Either drag the slider provided next to the blur settings, or, if precision is what you need, type a specific number into the input box. Adjusting these settings will increase or decrease the blur's intensity, providing you with full control over the visual impact. And there you have it, a beautifully blurred element within your Figma design, all set to enhance the overall look and feel. Blurring elements can add depth and dimension to your projects, making them look more polished and visually appealing. As you continue refining your design skills, remember that adjusting the blur intensity can significantly alter the ambiance and focus of your composition, allowing you to draw attention to the elements that truly matter. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more Figma tips and tricks.